Use your iPhone or Android phone as a webcam on OBS. First of all, go to your computer browser and open this website vdo.ninja. Once you are in this website, just click on Create Reusable Invite. Here, click on this drop down Target Video Resolution and here select 1080p high quality. And now just click on Generate the Invite link. And here you will get this QR code. All you have to need, open your Android or iPhone camera. So I'm using my iPhone. You can do the same steps on your Android phone. Just open the camera and scan this QR code. And here you directly jump into this website on your phone. Here just select Share Your Camera. Tap on Allow. Now tap on Video Source and here you can select your front or back camera. I'm selecting my phone back camera. Now audio, you can enable or disable audio here. I'm selecting no audio and here on your phone just tap on Start. And now here you will get this link. Just copy this link from here. Once you successfully copy it, go back to your OBS. Click on this plus icon to create a new source. Select browser. Click on OK. And in this URL field, just paste the link that you just copied, and here width give 9020 and height give 1080. Here you have to check this option, refresh browser when scene become active, and just click on OK. In few seconds you will be able to see your phone camera on your OBS just like this with a good quality video. So now you can easily use your phone camera as a webcam for your OBS studio. That's it.